Why does your scanner show the P0532 engine code? What does it mean? P0532 is a diagnostic trouble code for the AC refrigerant pressure sensor circuit low input. This error code indicates a problem with the air conditioning refrigerant pressure sensor or its circuit, specifically that the PCM is detecting a low input voltage. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. AC refrigerant pressure sensor issues, refrigerant system problems, ECC or BCM issues, ambient air temperature sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.